solve this question and let me know what you get. Or you can follow along as I solve. All right, so we have a question here. We have a trapezoid isosceles shape here, and we are asked to find the value of x, which is this diagonal line. Okay, so how do we go about this? Let's start. Now we can draw a straight line. That's 90. We can draw another straight line from here down. That's another 90 degrees. Okay. Now, because these lines are parallel lines, okay, this is 5 here. That means from here to here is 5. So this whole length is 10, right? And then here to here is 5. That means this is 2.5 and this is 2.5. So now we have something to work with. So let's start solving. Now let's find this height, because if we look after drawing down these lines and we're looking for this diagonal line, we can see a big triangle. We can see this, this, and that. We can see this triangle. And we're trying to find this length. We know what this length is because this is 5 plus 2.5. That's 7.5. So we know this length. We're looking for this, and we need to find this. We can find this h because we know this hypotenuse, which is 5, and we know this base, which is 2.5, so we can actually find h. So how do we find h? H squared plus 2.5 squared is equal to 5 squared. Okay? So h squared plus 2.5 squared is equal to 25. Now 2.5 squared is the same as 6.25. And that's 25 right there. Okay. Now, so h squared is 25 minus 6.25. So this is what we have. So h squared is equal to 25 minus 6.25 is 18.75. So let's just leave this as h squared for now. Okay. And then if we go back to our question, we know h squared is 18.75, or h is square root of 18.75, right? So we could just put it there. H is equal to square root of 18.75. Now, so we know our h. We know this to be 7.5, so 5 plus 2.5. So we need to find this x. So to find x becomes x squared is equal to h squared plus 7.5 squared. Okay, so x squared is equal to 18.75 squared plus 7.5 squared. X squared is equal to, this square root cancels out this 2, and so we have 18.75 plus 7.5 squared gives us 56.25. Now x squared is equal to 75. Now we need to find the value of x. So x now is equal to square root of 75. Because let's put it this way. Square root of x and then square root of 75. So this becomes x squared raised to power half, 75 raised to power half. Okay, which is also equal to, so x is equal to root of 75. X is equal to, we can rewrite 75 as 3 times 25, which is the same thing as root 3 times root 25. And then x is equal to 5 root 3. And that is our answer for this question. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel, give us a thumbs up, and also share your comments in the comment section. Until the next video, take care and bye-bye.